I like to keep my mouth shut during the song. It's so good! It is so good! Welcome! Welcome everyone. Welcome Sam. Sam beat you. Dada. I don't know who you are, Santiago, but have a great time. So, what was I saying? Got distracted already. Yeah, Dada, shame on you. He beat you. Sam beat you already. How is everyone doing? Okay, so I forgot to not tweet out the stream. I'm gonna share the stream with a PlayStation group in Malta real quick. Hold on. Let me just make sure that I do have the extra content real quick. Extra content. Band footage. There we go.
Days have left many residents in some of the pair.
Why are you doing this? The pretties my little girl is giving me!
That's so good. That is so good. Okay, I'm gonna go tweet out the stream real quick. Not tweet out the stream. Again, share it with a PlayStation group in Malta. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. He wanted to be first place. Broly's lurking. I'm gonna be playing the daughters one. It's so interesting. I didn't like the nightmare one. I didn't like the bedroom one. I didn't like the 21 one. 21 one. But daughters is so good. This is what the Baker family was like before it all started. We get to see the house. We get to see the family. You know, it is so good. And we're gonna see how it all started. It's fantastic. I really love it. So yeah, let's go with daughters. Let's go. Play daughters. Resume. I can't resume. Play daughters. Let's go. I don't know how long this is, so we'll see. Shh, shh. Quiet, quiet. Oh yeah, it might take a while before it loads. I can ramble on for a little bit longer. It's Norman. How are you, Broly? We're gonna be playing as Zoe actually, because Zoe, as we all know, is the only one in the family that didn't turn. So yeah, 3 years ago. So this was 3 years before it all started. We're gonna go back in time 3 years. 3 years ago, Bakers were like any other family. They just had finished their family dinner, listening to the raindrops hammering against the window panes as they ate. A moment of peace and quiet. They're lost for some time. It's so good. It is so good. Yeah, unlike every other tape in Resident Evil 7, it takes forever to load. It's very normal. Normal. I'm gonna have a sip real quick. You see how long it takes? Oh, there we go. It's about to start. Get ready, guys. Take a seat. It's awesome.
In today's top news, record-breaking rainfall from this week's hurricane looking to come to a close tomorrow morning as the storm moves on. Out in the Gulf, reports of a missing ship have rescue crews combing the coast. We'll have the details on that search shortly. But first, record rain over the past few days has left many residents in some of the parishes knee-deep in floodwaters. On radar, we can see the system moving along to the northeast, losing strength as it goes. And by tomorrow morning, we should be home
Any
free
news on the
and
damage
out
from
of
the
rain
storm?
Here in
They haven't said.
Marguerite, open up. Found another one.
I'm coming. Oh. Oh, she's so young.
Yeah, how's our other guest?
Sleeping, poor thing.
Well, I say let him. He'll be okay here for a few days. At least while till we can get him into town.
Zoe, go get some fresh clothes from the laundry room, okay? Oh, looks like there's some sort of oil spill or something.
Yes.
Let's get this poor girl some fresh clothes and into a warm bed. We'll put her in Lucas's old room.
Oh, come on, can't you put her somewhere else?
Oh, Lucas, you just hush. You've long outgrown that room. Always wanted to run a bed and breakfast.
You got your big break, didn't you? Get her to bed. I'll put some soup on. Ugh. Good night for soup, don't you think? Excuse me, Lucas.
It looks so good. All right, before I start rambling. Look at on his phone. Can I talk to him? Can I interact? No? He's just fooling around on his phone. All right, so here's what's going on. Sorry. So basically, first of all, hello, Jill. Nice to see you. You are awesome.
Hurry up and get her some clothes before she gets that shit all over my old room.
So anyway, look how clean the house is. Look how, well, I mean clean. I was looking at this area actually, so. But yeah, compared to how it was before, look at this. Look how clean the house is. Oh, the clock is actually working. It's not 10:15. So awesome. What is this? Lighter. Zoe's favorite lighter. Oh, because she smokes. We know that. We know that she smokes. It's so awesome. So the TV remote. So we're playing as Zoe. Yeah? Alright, I have to get the clothes from the laundry room. Playing on his phone. Lucas, before he was what's the word? A joker. Hey Mark, welcome. Welcome. What's going on here? Jack, I've put our guest to bed in the trailer. I told her she could have the old bedroom, but she insisted. What? I've put our guest to bed in the trailer. I told her that she could have the old bedroom, but she insisted. Okay. Which guest? Are they talking about? I'm gonna go around the house before I actually start the mission because I'm enjoying. Is it an iPhone? Is it an iPhone? Let's see. Hey Jess! Morning, morning. Yes, it is the DLC. And this is, for those of you that just joined, this... So,
Zoe, will you get out of my face?
what did he just say? Get off his face? Yes, this is before the outbreak happened, you see? Outbreak, well, it is an outbreak basically, but before they got all infected. They're actually normal. Let's check out his iPhone. Nah, it's not an iPhone. Hey Lucas. 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 Lucas, what's up, man? What's up, Lucas? Alright, so the ceiling fan works. Alright, let's go around real quick. It's very interesting, Jess. That's why I'm playing this one. That is why I'm playing this one. Hey, Liam Kirby. Yes, the DLC just came out at midnight. What's going on here? Oh, they have their anniversary on the 26th of October. Oh, this is so sweet.
There's a change of clothes in the laundry room, dear.
Yeah, basically, those of you just joined and don't know what happened, they just found Evelyn, and Jack just came in with Evelyn. He's like, look, she's so young, let's go put her to bed because she's soaking wet, and they're gonna change her clothes. Well, the fridge is still filthy, to be honest with you. I mean,
Go on, take
yeah, I
that
will.
girl
I'm just
some
gonna
clean
see what's for
clothes.
dinner. What's for dinner, mommy? Yeah, because I'm playing as Zoe. She's making soup. Look, it's boiling. Teabag him. I cannot. What's going on here?
Zoe.
Shopping list.
She can't be
Eggs,
unless they're
bacon.
frozen.
I just had eggs and bacon just now before I started the stream. I finished work and I had breakfast. Let's look around real quick. Let's see what's going on. I can't walk around. What? Get out of my face.
There's a change of clothes
Yes,
in the
I'm
laundry
gonna go
room, dear.
real quick. Yeah, I think it's a Samsung, Mark. Oh, it's locked. I'm enjoying seeing the house.
Go on, take
I
that
am.
girl some
I have a
clean
great time.
clothes.
I am enjoying walking around the house, seeing how it is. I also noticed that the windows are not barred with wood and barbed wire. Have you noticed that? You're having breakfast? What are you having for breakfast? I'm just curious. I'm gonna go to the garage, see what's what. And I know it's not. Yes, I'm gonna check everything, Liam. I'm gonna check everything. Ooh, look at his car. Look at Jack's car. Nice. It's interesting seeing that. I'm enjoying seeing the house before it all happened, you know, because we're used to seeing the house scary. And I know it's not going to be scary right now because nothing happened yet, you know, so yeah. Nothing in here. Look at this! The stairs are fixed! Look at this! The stairs! They are broken in the game. The stairs are broken. How cool is this? Isn't this the snake room? Isn't this the snake room door? No, this is the bathroom. What am I saying? This is the bathroom. Locked as well. No, there's nothing scary should be happening right now because nothing has happened yet. I mean, we already got Evelyn. Evelyn just showed up, but you see how the doors are not and the windows are not barred. I like that. Okay, so we got this one. Oh, I noticed that the emblems on the doors are gone. Nice. It's a walking stick. I'm not gonna pick up anything really. Huh. Random pile of cans. What time are fires before outbreak? I mean, before the outbreak actually happened on the Baker family, I mean. This is like 3 years before. No, I mean, no, wait, not before. 3 years before Ethan showed up. No one has cleared up the dishes. Yep. That's the least of them. Oh, look, it's Zoe's reflection. Look at that. Oh, this is barred. This is usually another door that leads outside. Interesting. Alright, nothing here. Let's go. Let's keep moving. This is the way I came from.
Clean clothes? Okay.
This one's
Laundry
locked.
room.
Kids' room. This one's locked. And this is where it leads to outside, but this is why. Ah, because of the storm, that's right. There's a storm. Help me, please! Original, we'll be playing that tomorrow, actually. Oh, it's locked as well here. I can't get to the main hall. What? Alright, let's take the other way around. How funny we can go down the stairs. It's so weird that we can go down the stairs. So, we've been that way, we've been that way. That's the laundry room. Yes, we're through. Yes. Yes, Original will be playing Outbreak Me and Through tomorrow. We're gonna finish decisions, hopefully. Hey, this doesn't look familiar. What is this? What the? I've never seen this before. What? This area. Look at this. It's open. It's locked, but nice. It's nice that there's a new area open here. So in the game, usually it's barred here, probably. So cool. I like it. Skipped save room behind. Yes, yes, because that's where I need to go. That's where I skipped it. Look at the door. It's different. Even this door is different. The one in the main game is actually made of... It's like metallic. Can I go through? No. It's locked from the other side. What? Alright, let's go. I skipped the save room on purpose because that's where I need to go. Hey, hairless salmon, welcome. This is where I need to go, look. Oh yeah. This is the laundry room. To do, fix upstairs window, nail up some plywood, call the glass people later, Lucas' birthday present, power tool? Ask Zoe about it. Interesting. Look at the hole here. There we go. Change of clothes. So these are the clothes I'm gonna give to, what's her name? Examine, hang on. Does it say anything? No? Children's clothes washed and folded neatly. Used to be Zoe's. Alright. Let's go give them to Zoe then. And we're gonna have to go upstairs again. Maybe the socks aren't stinky now. It's funny you said that. There aren't even socks. They're gone. The socks are gone. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Upstairs. There we go. This is where we need to go. To get her the clothes. Oh, look at the room. It's so cool.
Bunny, please get her cleaned up and into some dry clothes. I need to check on the boathouse. It was half on the water last I looked.
Yes, Daddy.
There's a hole in the trophy. It seems like I need to be using something. Interesting. Okay. Oh, look at Evelyn. So peaceful. They had a chance to get rid of her, but they didn't.
All right, little girl. Let's get you cleaned up.
They're mine now.
What?
And here it starts. I don't like it already now. Guys.
Daddy? Is the power out?
Was there a lightning strike?
I'm scared already. I don't like this. What? It's locked? Oh no, that's the way to the main hall. That's what we said earlier.
Where'd that little girl get to?
I'm not enjoying this now. I mean, not enjoying, I'm enjoying it, of course, but...
What was that?
Ooh. Oh, Lucy just retweeted me. Ah, the phone vibrating just scared the heck out of me. Oh, thank you, Lucy. Oh man, that was scary. Let's go. Lucas.
Lucas? What happened? Are you okay?
He's unconscious.
What the hell's going on?
I'm gonna take the chair with me just in case. Come with me, chair. What? What? Come on, chair, let's go. Never mind. Let's go. I'm scared. Where do I go? Where is everybody? The room next to the kitchen. What about it?
I know. I know. That's right. All are welcome. So many. So beautiful.
You're in the same time zone as I am, Jess, apparently.
Mama, is that you?
Zoe, come look. Come see her gift. Look at all the pretties my little girl is giving me! Kiss me, lover!
What the hell? Get to the garage! Get some rope! Go!
Garage rope. Now.
Get out of my way, Jack! Our family now, and we're hers!
Oh, woman! Get... Now don't you make me do something I'll regret.
Let's go. Garage, garage, garage. Get some rope.
Mama? What the hell's going on?
Speaking of music, Mark, that's why I like streaming with a capture card, because when you stream directly from the PlayStation, you lose the soundtrack from the game. Why is this not lit? Please. Rope, 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 rope. Rope, rope, rope your boat. Garage, where's the rope from the garage? Come on. Rope, there it is.
I'm on my way, Daddy.
Rope your boat. I'm kidding, of course. I'm kidding. I'm scared. I'm scared right now. I'm very scared.
Stop it!
Don't you worry. It's a whole lot worse than it looks. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and your mother's pretty fucking close to meeting him right now. She wants me to do this. I have to show her how to hold. She wants us all to show her our love.
Daddy!
You don't want to disappoint her now, do you? We can't do that.
What are you talking about?
Your new sister, Eve.
What?
When I ask for rope, I expect to get rope. I'm just gonna have to teach you a lesson.
Daddy! What's gotten into you?
While you're under my roof,
Oh my goodness.
Get away!
Where is he?
I found you. No more running around.
Oh my goodness. Why aren't you running, Zoe? Oh, there's something. No time for that.
That you? Well, now.
I cornered myself. Ah, I've cornered myself. Oh no.
Daddy! Stop it! Please!
She's waiting for you.
Daddy, stop! Why are you doing this?
Now, what's the matter, honey? Don't you want to play with your new sister?
Wow, that was intense. That was so awesome. That was so awesome. Okay. According to Liam, I should have locked the door or something. Alright. Let me figure it out on my own, please, Liam. Let's go. Wow.
When I ask for rope, I expect to get rope. I'm gonna just you listen.
Daddy! What's gotten into you?
While you're under my roof, you'll do as I say. You hear me?
I gotta find a way out.
With what?
Zoe, open this door.
Get away!
You can't keep me out.
Stop it!
Oh my goodness. I'm supposed to open that, but I don't know with what.
Why?
Something to put it off. I don't know what, though.
Huh? In our fucking club.
Daddy.
Zoe. Zoe.
They locked here as well. Oh, no.
What's the big idea, Zoe? You ain't going nowhere.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's not running speed. It's... What am I gonna do? I need to pull those.
Honey, I know where you are. Come out now. I won't be angry.
Wow. Am I safe? Oh, he didn't see me. Nice. It's locked. Those weren't my footsteps. Whoa. There's nothing I can do. Nothing in this room. Okay, at least we know there's nothing in this room, so.
You ain't smart enough to hide from me.
Nah, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine, Liam, but... Ooh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, Zoe.
Fork. There we go. Whoa. Oh, I'm getting a lot of sub grubs today.
Zoe! You're making your mother worry.
If he sees me. He can see me through the glass, so I can't.
What's the big idea, Zoe? You ain't going nowhere.
Come on. Oh, he did leave the room. Now. Ah!
Zoe! I've been looking for you.
Daddy! Stop it!
That was a scare. That was a real scare. Okay. You got me, buddy. You got me, buddy. But I know it. Now I know what I need to do. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. My heart is pounding.
Daddy, stop! Oh! Why are you doing this?
Yo, what's the matter, honey? Don't you want to play with your new sister?
She is
All right. Let's try again. Let's try again. It wasn't really a jump scare. It's just he came in like he was going in and out. I was expecting him, but not so soon. It wasn't really a jump scare actually, but it's fine. I can do this. I can do this. Come on, Zoe.
When I ask for rope, I expect to get rope. I'm gonna just teach you a lesson.
Daddy! He's got into you!
While you're under my roof, you'll do as I say. You hear me?
I gotta find a way out.
Now I know what to do.
Zoe! Open the door!
Get away!
Now, can I? Come on.
You can't keep me out!
Stop it!
What just? Did you guys see that? Oh, this is not good. He just dragged Lucas as well. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, we're in the main hall.
I gotta get out of here.
Zoe!
This is locked.
Evelyn called me mommy. Ain't that spicy, you sugar?
Oh man! Yeah, I think you are. Ah, come on!
I'm faster than
Feels
you
like
are,
it.
sugar. Settle down. You don't want to have an accident.
accident, do ya?
No!
That girl! Jack! Give me a hand here, Jack! Get over here, Jack!
Whoa.
Daddy, stop! Why are you doing this?
Yo, what's the matter, honey? Don't you want to play with your new sister?
I love his laugh. I like Jack's laugh. I love it. Alright, alright, alright. There's another room down there.
I gotta get out of here.
Oh, that Evelyn. Such a sweet little thing.
How are you, Proto Sam?
You're gonna have a little sister, Zoe.
What am I gonna do?
Are you there?
There's two areas I can visit. There's the door with the scorpion key, basically. I mean, we call it the scorpion key, but... Come on.
Zoe!
She saw me? No. Maybe I can make a run for it. Yeah, run for it. But I think that's my time window. That is my opportunity when she's in there facing that way. I think that's my chance.
Come out and meet her, Zoe. Evelyn called me Mommy. Ain't that sweet?
I'm gonna freak out if she sees me and...
She's just lonely, Zoe. We gotta protect her.
Come on, get in there. Nope, she's going up the stairs.
Family comes first, is what I say.
Oh, seriously? Run. Oh, man. It's locked in here as well. That's good that she's going up the stairs. She's gonna give me the opportunity to look around real quick.
Zoe! You're gonna make me mad!
Nothing in here. What do I do?
Zoe!
Come on.
Zoe! I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Stay away! Don't touch her! Don't hurt my family!
I don't understand, Mama. What's going on?
Here! Take it! Take it!
She's losing it. Go where though?
Don't worry, Mama. I'll go get help.
What, this door? No. Which key? What key is this? Car key. Alright, let's get out. The car key. I'm panicking now. I'm so close. I'm so close to finishing the game, but I'm sure something's gonna happen around the corner.
Why is this happening?
Something's gonna happen around the corner. Oh!
Found you.
Ah!
No more running around.
Did I fail? Oh, I failed again.
Daddy, stop! Why are you doing this?
Yo, what's What's the matter, honey? Don't you
I
want to
failed
play
again.
with your new sister?
She is.
Oh, I'm so curious. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna get past him now? He's just waiting for there to ambush me. He's just waiting there to ambush me.
Why is this happening?
She's chasing me. Ah! Ah!
Well, now, there you are.
Oh, you always did like hiding there.
Shut up! You ain't real!
What's going on? I'm safe here, yes?
Daddy.
Oh man. Keep heading to the laundry room? Yeah, okay, yes, Liam, please. Let me figure it out on my own. It's not fun if you keep telling me where to go. Lockpick. Alright.
You're making your mother worry. I'd expect this behavior from Lucas, but not you.
Did he see me?
Honey, I know where you are. Come out now. I won't be angry.
You're guessing. Yes, but still. But still. There's a delay in chat anyway, so even though.
I found you. No more
He did
running
see me
around.
now. He did see me now. Ah! Ah! Run, 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 run! In the hole, in the hole!
Get over here, Zoe.
How am I gonna do this? My goodness.
You ain't smart enough to hide from me. Zoe, I've been looking.
He sees me.
Zoe. Zoe. That you, Zoe?
Ah!
What? You playing hide and seek?
It's so good. I am so immersed right now. Yeah, it's really intense. I mean, I keep thinking of you see, the door contraption doesn't exist in this scenario, so they must have done it after they got infected. Now, somewhere here. Hold on. You see, it reminds me of the main game. It reminds me of the main game when Jack chases you around, but this time I've got two people chasing me around, and that's not good. So maybe this way? Hold on, before I go that way. I noticed earlier, where is it? Hold on. There has to be. In the bathroom. In the bathroom there's something. I need to go to the bathroom. In game and in real life, actually. Come on, can you go in? Can't you go in now? Really? Okay, no problem. This is the bathroom, right? No, this is the kids' room. I don't want to go in there, but I'm gonna check. It's locked anyway. Small component. Small component. What is it? Looks like a part of something you feel as if you've seen it before. What? Small component. I don't know what it is. Alright, I got the key. I'm gonna go try leave with the car. I can't go down the stairs now, can I? No. I don't know what the component does though. Now I need to make it downstairs to the garage. We have to find a way. What? There's one missing. Whew. Yes, please, Liam. Yeah, don't worry. Let me figure it out. It's part of the fun. Alright, let's see. Trying to remember. Trying to think. I have a plan. If he sees me, I'm gonna run in the hole.
You're making your mother worry.
That's where I need to go. Okay. Don't see me. Don't see me, buddy. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Good boy. Get in there. Good. garage, 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 garage.
Zoe, I've been looking for you.
Oh, it's gonna take forever to open. Oh, come on, seriously?
Open, you piece of shit!
Oh, he didn't. Oh my goodness. My heart is pounding. Am I safe in here? I don't know. I don't know. All right, we made it this far. Come on. Come on. All right. Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
What? You gonna up and leave us?
Don't you want to meet your little sister?
Now you're just being rude! Now! Now!
Did I fail? This is just one resolution. One way Zoe's struggle might have ended. Sometimes even just a small wandering step can change your course altogether. What? You failed to lead Zoe on the true path. What? There's an alternate ending then. There's an alternate ending. The component! I just remembered where the component goes. Yes! The component goes into the trophy. Let's go again. The trophy. I just realized. We're gonna do this again. We're gonna do this again because I want to see what the other ending is. Let's go. From resume? What if I resume? No, nothing. I have to start over. Okay, no problem. Let's do this. Okay. Mark is crying and Jill is laughing. No, the small component, I just realized after I finished the game, the component goes into the trophy. There is a hole in the trophy, and when I clicked on it, it opened up my inventory. Definitely, 100%. It sucks that I have to go over it again, but it's fine. It's a new chapter, so I don't mind playing it again. And yeah, this is the band footage DLC, Volume 2. It came out last night at midnight. I'm only playing the daughter's one, okay? I'm not gonna be playing the whole thing because the other one is just a poker card or blackjack or something. You just sit on the table playing cards against Lucas. What? I don't want to play a card game. This is Resident Evil, not a card game. And the other one is not canon. It's Jack's 55th birthday. Apparently, it's very goofy. I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go, but not now. Let's see it one more time.
In today's top news, record-breaking rainfall from this week's hurricane looking to come to a close tomorrow morning as the storm moves on. Out in the Gulf, reports of a missing ship have rescue crews combing the coast. We'll have the details on that search shortly. But first, record rain over the past few days has left many residents in some of the parishes knee-deep in floodwaters. On radar, we can see the system moving along to the northeast, losing strength as it goes. And by tomorrow morning, we should be home
Any
free
news on the
and
damage
out
from
of
the
rain
storm?
here in
They haven't said.
Marguerite, open up. Found another one.
I'm coming. Oh. Oh, she's so young.
Yeah, how's our other guest?
Sleeping, poor thing.
Well, I say let him. He'll be okay here for a few days. At least while till we can get him into town.
Zoe, go get some fresh clothes from the laundry room, okay? Oh, looks like there's some sort of oil spill or something.
Yes.
Let's get this poor girl some fresh clothes and into a warm bed. We'll put her in Lucas's old room.
Oh, come on. Can't you put her somewhere else?
Oh, Lucas, you just hush. You long outgrown that room. Always wanted to run a bed and breakfast.
You got your big break, didn't you? Get her to bed. I'll put some soup on. Ugh. Good enough for soup, don't you think? Excuse me, Lucas.
His password is 1019. Have you noticed that? I noticed it. Anyway. She's running fine now, huh? She's running fine right now. She's running. When the horror starts. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna memorize real quick where the lockpick drawer was. Oh yeah, in the bathroom. That's fine. It's actually this way. No, it's actually... I forgot where the stairs are for a sec. Is it this way? Nope. I forgot. I blanked out for a sec. This is the only one. This is the only place locked with a lockpick, yeah? This. Yeah. In the sewer. What sewer? Bathroom, bathroom.
Honey, please get her cleaned up and into some dry clothes. I need to check on the boathouse. It was half on the water last I looked.
Yes, Daddy. All right, little girl. Let's get you cleaned up.
They're mine now.
What?
This is where I need to use the button. Over here, look. The component. Here. And when I push it, that ladder's gonna drop down.
Daddy?
I don't know what's gonna happen next,
Is the power
but...
out? Was there a lightning strike?
That's what we're gonna do. Bathroom. Oh, I can pick up the fork right away. Oh. No, I can't. Ah.
Where'd that little girl get to? What was that?
Hey, Clink Clank! Welcome.
Lucas? What happened? Are you okay? What the hell's going on?
I know. I know.
Mama, is that you?
Zoe, come look. Come see her gift. Look at all the pretties my little girl is giving me.
I wanna see.
Kiss me, lover.
What's up here? Get to the garage! Get some rope! Go, now!
Oh, get out of my way, Jack! Girls are family now, and we're hers!
Oh, woman! Get... Ah! Don't you make me do something I'll regret.
Come on.
I'm on my way, Daddy.
Stop it!
Don't you worry. It's a whole lot worse than it looks. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and your mother's pretty fucking close to meeting him right now. She wants me to do this. I have to show her how to hold him. She wants us all to show her our love.
Daddy!
You don't want to disappoint her now, do you? We can't do that.
What are you talking about?
Your new sister, Eve. When I ask for rope, I expect to get rope. I'm just gonna have to teach you a lesson.
Daddy! What's gotten into you?
While you're under my roof, you'll do as I say.
All the doors close again.
Got a way out.
Zoe, open this door.
Get away!
You can't keep me out.
Stop it! I gotta get out of here.
Family comes first, is what I say. She's just lonely, Zoe, and we gotta protect her. Zoe!
There you
No,
are.
no, 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 she saw me.
Get back here, you bad girl! Zoe. Settle down! You don't want to have an accident, do ya?
Ah! God dang it. Yes, Sam, I got the bad ending. Hello, how are you? Nice to see you. Yeah, I'm trying to get the good ending, but
Give me a hand here, Jack!
I know what to do. I know what to do. I just need to pull it off again one more time. I need to pull it off one more time, that's all. I managed to escape, not with the car. Yeah, well, not escape. I mean, that's how far I got the car, and then they got me from there. I'm sure there's a way. I mean, there's an option to even open the main door with the stone. With the... It's fine. I'm gonna do this.
I gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna do this. Trust me, I'm an engineer. Where is she?
She's just lonely, Zoe, and we gotta protect her. Zoe!
Yeah, I can do
Make
this,
me
Sam.
mad.
I'm sure I can. Now's my chance, now's my chance, now's my chance.
Zoe! Zoe!
Dang it, she saw me.
Zoe! Get back here, you bad girl! I'm faster than you are, sugar! Come to mama! Jack! Give me a hand here, Jack! Get over here, Jack!
God dang it.
Daddy, stop! Oh! Why are you doing this?
Yo, what's the matter, honey? Don't you want to play with your new sister?
God dang it. I'm sure I can do this. I mean, I did this before. I forgot what I needed to do. Unlock the door and then what? I already did this once, but...
I gotta get out of here.
Usually she goes into that room.
She's just lonely, Zoe, and we gotta protect her.
Zoe. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong.
Mama!
Stay away. Don't touch her. Don't hurt my family.
She knows it's the girl
Damn,
controlling
Mama,
her.
what's going on?
Here, take it. Take it. Oh. Go.
Don't worry, Mama. I'll go get help. Why is this happening?
Zoe! Give me that key!
Zoe, I've been looking for you. Well, now.
Oh, you always did like that.
Shut up! You ain't real!
Whew. Okay. I forgot where I got the lockpick though. Where is the lockpick?
Daddy.
Oh, there it is. Now I got the lockpick. Now with the lockpick I need to run back upstairs. Hang on. Hold on. Is, which way is closest to the stairs? This is the way, closest way to the stairs. This way. No, wait, they barred the stairs. So I need to go up through the main hall again. Back to the main hall. Do even fresh, bro. I like that. Funk Master Flex raid. Flex. Is that Swolby? Is that Swolby? Funk Master Flex. Is that Swolby? I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Ripped reviews here. So, alright. Welcome CW. Welcome Rip. Welcome Ace. Welcome Havel. Chastity, welcome. Nice to see you all. I'm playing some Resident Evil 7. The moment when they exactly got hit by the virus, or whatever it is, this infection, this fungus thing, whatever, it's exactly the moment they just got infected. The mother got infected, then Jack tried to help, then Jack got infected as well. I'm playing as Zoe, and Lucas just disappeared. He just got dragged into a room, and Zoe's the only one left. I'm gonna run. He's right behind me, is he? Oh man. Oh man. Oh, come on. Come on. Main hall. What's the door behind you? Up. Oh man. Wow. Alright, so thank you so much for the raid. So anyway, yeah, trying to figure out what's going on. Now I have the lockpick. I need to go to the bathroom. There shouldn't be anyone here, right? This is not the bathroom. I don't trust the areas. Bathroom. Close. Whew, okay. Now I know what to do with the component. Look, it's a button. It is a button. Look at that. It's a button. And it goes into the trophy. Definitely. Alright, buddy. We got this. You know what we haven't seen yet? Molded. I'm scared. Alright, this is the room. I'm scared to go in. What? What? Isn't this the room? Yes, it is. What the heck? Why is it locked? Alright, I don't know. I'm stuck. This is where I need to go for sure. I'm confused now. What about that room on the other side? Hold on. No. Locked as well. I'm confused. Maybe I have to go there first when everyone is infected. Maybe. No. No, I got this button, and this definitely goes into the trophy, but I don't know why the door is locked. I don't understand. What am I missing? And I'm really enjoying the music in the game. Cause and look at this. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think they would put this over here for nothing. Car key, I'm not gonna go into the car for now because I know what's gonna happen. Small component. This door is locked as well, yeah. Dang it. Hold on. What is that? Oh yeah, this is the main door that's locked. Yes. I am very confused. Oh man, if I go through there, I'm gonna get busted. I am confused. I'm gonna go... But there's no point in going upstairs. I'm missing something. Does anybody know? Now I'm going to ask. I rarely do that. Does anybody know what needs to be done? That stupid component. I have the component, but I don't know. Did you try lockpick on the door? No, it's not. Definitely not. Emily! Welcome! Welcome. Alright, hold on. We need to catch up with chat. I only saw it when you go there first before you give the close to evidence. Okay, no. But no, hang on a sec. It's true. What if I can pick up the lockpick before? When I can still make it into the room? I think it's too late. I think he saw me already. Yes, it is, Emily. It's the new DLC. I'm gonna start over, I think. If he sees me. There we go. I'm gonna start over. Options. I can't start over. And yes, I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna start over because I think Sam gave me an idea. When you give the close to Evelyn, maybe I can pick up the... Maybe I can do that. Yes, Emily, this is the DLC, and this, Daughters, is the one I only like out of the whole DLC. Because Nightmare is the one with... Wait, which one is Nightmare? I forgot. Oh, Nightmare is the one with Clancy. I don't like that. Bedroom is the one where you're in bed and you have to figure out... It's like a big giant puzzle. 21 is just a poker game with Lucas. It's a card game, a Resident Evil card game. What? And Daughters is actually what happened right before the outbreak, before they got infected. It's like you get to see them normal, the house normal, everything. Alright, anyway. Hey, James. Not sure if I said hi to you. I don't think I did. So hi. Let's start over. Let's start over. For the benefit for those that didn't see it. Let's start over. These tapes always take forever to load. So weird. There we go. It's amazing how long they take to load. I mean, if you had to choose either one long load at the beginning of the game and there's absolutely no more loading at all, or just teeny tiny bits around the game. I prefer this, like one big load at the beginning of the game and the rest of the game no loading at all. I prefer that. Alright, let's go.
In today's top news, record-breaking rainfall from this week's hurricane looking to come to a close tomorrow morning as the storm moves on. Out in the Gulf, reports of a missing ship have rescue crews combing the coast. We'll have the details on that search shortly. But first, record rain over the past few days has left many residents in some of the parishes knee-deep in floodwaters. On radar, we can see the system moving along to the northeast, losing strength as it goes. And by tomorrow morning, we should be home
Any
free
news on the
and
damage
out of
from the
rain
storm?
Here in
They haven't said.
Marguerite, open up. Found another one.
I'm coming.
Ripped fart review.
Oh. Oh, she's so young.
Yeah, how's our other guest?
Sleeping, poor thing.
I say let him. He'll be okay here for a few days. At least while till we can get him into town.
Zoe, go get some fresh clothes from the laundry room, okay? Oh, looks like there's some sort of oil spill or something.
Yes.
Let's get this poor girl some fresh clothes and into a warm bed. We'll put her in Lucas's old room.
Oh, come on, can't you put her somewhere else?
Oh, Lucas, you just hush. Long outgrown that room. Always wanted to run a bed and breakfast.
You got your big break, didn't you? Get her to bed. I'll put some soup on. Ugh. Good night for soup, don't you think? Excuse me, Lucas.
Look at his password on the phone. 1019. I find that very interesting. That's my house. I saw Florida. I feel, yes, exactly. You should feel bad for the bakers because they are victims as well. I hated that she runs here. All right, so let's do this. Let's see if I can pick up the
Change
lockpick right
clothes in the
now.
laundry room, dear.
There it is. I think Sam was right. I needed to do that before the room was locked. Do you even fresh, bro? I'm sorry. I have to make that joke. Can you just kill them now? No, poor things. You should probably kill her. Now. Come on, get up there. Fresh clothes for Evelyn. Up the stairs. I love how cleaner the house is. Everything is normal. Normal. I can do it now. There we go. I think we got this right away.
Bunny, please get her cleaned up and into some dry clothes. I need to check on the boathouse. It was half on the water last I looked.
Yes, Daddy.
Now's the chance. I knew it. You see? I'm a pro. Yeah, it's cleaner, not clean. Cleaner. Alright, there we go. It's a good thing I spied on Lucas' phone. I'm sure it's 1019? No. Cancel. I have to find the password. I know the password.
Yes.
Did you hear that? It's the same from Resident Evil Outbreak. What's going on? Your list. The old man slapped me right on the face for checking my phone during dinner. You. You. I can't say one word about Mama's cooking without getting yelled at. You. All I did was look in on Zoe when she was doing yoga, and she calls me a pervert. You. The old man got drunk and started throwing all my crap in that red box out on the veranda. You. Is that it? Is that it? Zoe, I told you to keep your dirty hands off my laptop. Dum dum. No, it's dum dum. Oh, you're just jealous of my hacker skills. This is what you get for using the same password on your phone and your computer. Okay. What, Sam? The you list. Ripped. Oh, man. Yes, the sound, exactly. The sound from Mari Outbreak. So he threw his stuff on the veranda. What? Where is the veranda? Veranda. All my crap in the red box out on the veranda. I don't know. But at least we unlocked something. Now we know something more, I think. That's where they keep the Christmas tree, apparently. Alright, let's go. Veranda's like a porch. I try to keep it clean, but sometimes the game doesn't let me. Oh, look at the sweet little girl. Hey, you.
All right, little girl. Let's get you cleaned up.
They're mine now.
What?
Oh, the air. Okay, that's the veranda. Okay. To me, that's a balcony. To me, that's a balcony. But I guess. Alright, so the only way out
Daddy?
on the veranda for
Is the power
so
out?
right now I can't go to the veranda, so I'm gonna go
Is
downstairs.
there a lightning strike?
This is the veranda, but it's been barred right now, so we'll find another way in. Don't worry. Out here is the veranda. Through here. We'll do that. First we need to trigger a few cutscenes.
Where'd that little girl get to? What was that? Lucas? What happened? Are you okay?
Alright, even Liam knows what the veranda is. I was the only one that didn't know what the veranda is. Alright, so in there we need to obtain something.
I know.
I love this part.
Mama, is that you?
Zoe, come look. Come see her gift. Look at all the pretties my little girl is giving me! Kiss me, lover!
What the hell? Get to the garage! Get some rope! Go, now!
Oh, get out of my way, Jack! The girl's our family now, and we're hers!
Oh, woman! Get... Ah! Don't you make me do something I'll regret.
I'm on my way, Daddy.
Okay, Sam. Have a good night. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you have a good sleep. See you next time.
Stop it!
Don't you worry. It's a whole lot worse than it looks. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and my mother's pretty fucking close to meeting him right now. She wants me to do this. I have to show her how to hold. She wants us all to show her our love.
Daddy!
You don't want to disappoint her now, do you? We can't do that.
What are you talking about?
Your new sister, Eve. When I ask for rope, I expect to get rope. I'm just gonna teach you a lesson.
Daddy! He's gotten into you!
While you're under my roof, you'll do as
Hurry
I
up,
say.
buddy, hurry up.
Gotta find a way out.
Zoe, open the door.
Get away!
You can't keep me out.
Stop it!
So this is the veranda. Veronica! Veronica! Nice to see you. Now, the veranda, the red box. This is the veranda. Where's the red box? Red box. Is that it? Alright. The box, the box. Oh! Oh! Nice! There it is! Booyah! Booyah! There it is! We got it, guys! We're out of the house.
I gotta get out of here.
Evelyn called me Mommy. Ain't that sweet?
Almost, almost. I'm good, Veronica. How are you? I just finished work, made myself some breakfast, and then I downloaded this. And I started streaming. I haven't been to bed yet.
Family comes first is what I said.
Still haven't been to bed. It's almost 10 a.m. Come on, get in that room. She usually goes into that room. Liam Gurmy is Maltese as well. I'm curious, Liam. Did you find my stream through the PlayStation group where I just posted it earlier? Is that how you just found me? Look at her freaking out. She's dancing. A little beat for you. Come on, get in there, Marguerite.
Come out and meet her.
Come on, get in there. Get in there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Go, 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 go.
Zoe! Zoe! There you are. Come to Mama.
What the heck?
Get back here, you bad girl!
No! Alright, we're not out of the house yet. Yes, even Emily's in the same time zone. European power! Alright, no problem. We got this anyway, don't worry.
Now what's the matter, honey? Don't you want to play with your new sister?
I love Jack's laugh. Love it. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost out of the house, definitely. We're almost there. Alright, okay.
I gotta get out of here.
Gotta do this. You know why I went to the door? I wanted to see if it would trigger the other cutscene, but it didn't.
Evelyn called me Mommy. Ain't that sweet?
If she starts shaking it again, dancing.
She's just lonely, Zoe, and we gotta protect her.
She's gonna go in there.
Oh, that Evelyn. Such a sweet little thing.
Come on. Come on. We're almost at the door. We got this. Out. Out. We're out of the house. We're out of the house, guys. We're out of the house. My brother and I share our YouTube channel. Okay. Oh, that's awesome.
I don't like me.
So cool. We're outside and it's raining.
This can't be real.
Well, if your brother subscribed to my channel, he must have good taste. No, I'm kidding. Or am I? What is this? Can I pull it out? No, this one's for Ethan. Hang on, in the trailer, there was another guest. Oh, and it's lit. There's someone inside. In the trailer, according to the note that I read, there's another guest. There's someone, and I think it's Mia. Hold on. Hi there, Mia. I'm gonna look around before I go in because I know it would trigger cutscenes. So. No, it's locked. I know this is where it ends, I think, but... Well, that's awesome, Liam. Alright, I'm gonna look around real quick. I want to see if there's another way. Because I know that there's another path that leads to... I can't find it, though. I don't think I can go through. I think it's kind of blocked. Yeah, never mind. Let's go. You see? Mia, I told you. She's holding this. This is the E series. No, the D series. D005. You know what this is? Look at it with the mouth open. You know what this is? This is the cranial nerve up there. This is Evelyn, the previous version of Evelyn, the D series. D number 5. You see, there was A through E. This is what it is. This is what's left of it, and apparently it holds the cure. Anyway, it's very but the fire. No, that means it's a very good lighter, okay? Let's go. To the Baker Fire, thank you for saving my life, but please forget all about me. I was assigned to transport some important cargo on that ship. Getting involved with me or that cargo can only cause you trouble for your family. Big trouble. Please don't contact the police or state authorities. Just pretend we never met. And if you saved me, and you saved me. So take this advice in return. If you see a little girl near the ship who looks about 10 years old, do not approach her. If she talks to you, get away as quickly as you can. Just try not to make her angry in the process. If you've been feeling ill at all, then I'm afraid the worst may have already happened. It's a fate worse than death, and it can be cured at a hospital. And it can't be cured. I can't read. I'm so tired right now. Hey Swampert, welcome. Nice to see you. And it can't be cured at the hospital. I am so sorry. There is a way to stop it though. Serum. If you stop the that's it. And this is it. The rest of the text is difficult to make out. Okay, I know.
I think I fell asleep.
Well, well, now look who has decided to join us.
Wake up and smell the shitty coffee, Zoe.
Lucas.
You okay, dear? There's a lot of excitement from that storm last night.
I'm fine. I had the weirdest dream last night. There was this little girl.
Well, now, after breakfast, Lucas and I are going to have a look around and see if the storm did any damage. You two should have a look around the house.
That's a good idea, Jack. You remember the last hurricane? We thought we were lucky. And the next time it rained, there was a mess for sure.
Hello, sister.
That is so cool. Now Zoe's mundane life has become a struggle for survival. She will spend her days slipping through the grasp of her now insane family, searching for the serum that Mia spoke of in her letter. The nights are marked by the family's murderous feast, and Evelyn's body deteriorates as the months go by. Yes, that's how she became old. Eventually Zoe will encounter Ethan, her best hope at finding the serum. But she has a long way to go before that day. And so began the horror. That was awesome. Oh, Swampert. I think it's done. There we go. It's done. One instinct. Survival. Alright, it's done. That's it. That's it. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna play the game one more time, because I need to get some sleep. I've been streaming for almost 2 hours. 1 hour 49 minutes, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and, you know, keeping me company in chat. Barry is here. He's giving me a hug. Hugs to you too, Barry. So yeah, I'm gonna go. That was awesome. That was good. This DLC costs... how much did this cost? Around 14 euros? It was expensive. It's even more expensive than the last one, because the last one cost 9 euros. 9.99 actually. But I think Capcom knew that this is a bit more awesome than the other one, because they charged more for it. There's 21, which is basically a blackjack game with Lucas. Kind of like Saw, though. When you lose, you don't lose money, you lose your fingers, apparently. I don't like it. But this one was interesting, the daughter's one. I'm gonna go there. Oh, hello, Vladimir. I think you're a bit late. I'm so sorry, but you can rewind the stream if you want to watch. I'm sorry. I'm about to go to sleep because I've been working all night. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys. I appreciate a like on your way out, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.